Hey everyone, and welcome back to our channel. Today's product review is all about COREtec Originals Enhanced CR501. If you're in the market for flooring that's comfortable, waterproof, and absolutely stunning, this is one you'll want to see. Let's start with the basics. Each plank measures 9 inches wide by 72 inches long with a total thickness of 8 millimeters. That's a 6.5 millimeter core and an additional 1.5 millimeters for the attached cork underlayment. The core is WPC. It's the foundation that gives the floor its incredible comfort, warmth, and quiet feel underfoot. You'll also notice something special along the edges, an enhanced painted bevel. That means those small spaces between the planks have extra definition, giving the floor depth and a realistic, authentic wood look. Now let's talk about some features. This floor is kid-proof, pet-proof, and 100% waterproof, so it can handle the chaos of everyday life. It's stain-resistant, easy to clean, and even easier to install. No acclimation period required. Installation can be done using the angle tap floating method or direct glue, depending on your preference and subfloor. One of the biggest reasons homeowners love the Originals WPC line is comfort. The thick foamed core makes every step feel cushioned, perfect if you're standing for long periods in the kitchen or entertaining guests. It's also warmer and quieter than your typical hard surface floor, thanks to the natural cork underlayment that blocks out both the chills and the noise. So you get a more peaceful, cozy home environment. If you deal with any sore joints or fatigues after standing, you'll definitely appreciate how soft this floor feels underfoot. So let's break down what makes this floor so durable. On top, you have a 22 mil wear layer, thick enough to handle heavy foot traffic and protects against everyday wear and tear. It also features a UV acrylic finish, which means it's maintenance-free. You never need to sand, seal, or refinish it. Below is the luxury vinyl design layer where all the visual magic happens. COREtec offers some of the widest selections of wood looks with detailed embossing and beveling that make it almost indistinguishable from real hardwood. And then there's the core, 100% waterproof so it won't warp or buckle even in kitchens, bathrooms, or basements. And finally, the pre-attached cork underlayment ties it all together, keeping your home quieter and warmer year-round. And for those of you who want a seamless, professional finish, COREtec offers a full range of matching trim and transition pieces. That means every stair nose, T-mold, and reducer can perfectly match your flooring for a cohesive look. When it comes to peace of mind, COREtec has you covered. CR501 comes with a lifetime residential limited wear warranty and a 10-year medium commercial warranty, so it's built to last. Plus, it's GREENGUARD Gold certified, meaning it meets some of the strictest indoor air quality standards for your home. For more information on COREtec CR501, check the description below or visit our website at georgiacarpet.com. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you next time.